Running a successful service business in 2025 requires much more than just knowing your trade. Between juggling customer appointments, managing field technicians, generating estimates and invoices, and keeping track of payments, it's easy to get overwhelmed. That's why more and more businesses are turning to smart, integrated solutions to simplify their operations. Housecall Pro is one of the most trusted all in one software platforms for home service businesses. Whether you're in plumbing, HVAC, electrical, cleaning, appliance repair, or any other service trade, Housecall Pro gives you the tools to run your business from anywhere on desktop or mobile. With intuitive design, powerful automation, and features built specifically for field service pros, it helps you save time, improve customer satisfaction, and grow your bottom line. In this video, we'll explore the top features of Housecall Pro, how they benefit your day-to-day workflow, and why it's a go-to solution for thousands of growing service businesses. So for its key features and benefits, first is the smart scheduling and dispatching. Easily schedule jobs using a visual drag and drop calendar. Assign team members with just a few clicks and send real-time updates to your field techs. The platform also includes route optimization and GPS tracking. This reduces scheduling conflicts, boosts team coordination, and helps you deliver on time service consistently. Another key feature is the digital estimates and invoicing. Quickly create and send professional estimates that can be approved online by your customers. Once the job is done, convert the estimate to an invoice instantly and get paid in the field or online. This speeds up your cash flow and makes it easier for customers to do business with you. Another key feature is the mobile app for field technicians. Your team can manage everything from their smartphones, check schedules, access job details, take notes, upload photos, collect e signatures, and accept payments on the spot. This boosts field productivity and minimizes back and forth between office and field. Another key feature is the automated customer communication. You can send on my way texts, appointment confirmations, and post job follow ups automatically. Customers can track their technician's arrival in real time and stay in the loop at every stage. This enhances customer trust and reduces no shows with proactive, professional communication. Another key feature is the online booking and customer portal. So let your customers book jobs online 24/7 through your website, Google, or social media. They can also log into a secure portal to view past jobs, make payments, or schedule new services. This gives your business a modern edge and makes it more accessible to busy customers. Another key feature is the integrated payments and financing options. You can take payments via credit card, ACH, or mobile wallet on site or online. Housecall Pro also offers flexible financing options that customers can apply for directly. This helps you close deals faster and reduce outstanding invoices while offering customers convenient ways to pay. Another key feature is the reports and business insights. You can gain valuable insights into job performance, revenue trends, customer behavior, and technician productivity. Use real time data dashboards to track KPIs and make smarter business decisions. This empowers business growth by helping you see what's working and what needs improvement. So, why is Housecall Pro a great choice? Housecall Pro shines because it's designed specifically with service pros in mind. Unlike general CRMs or complicated enterprise platforms, every feature in Housecall Pro is tailored to make your daily operations easier, faster, and more connected. From its clean mobile interface to its automated workflows and digital invoicing tools, it reduces manual work and helps you deliver a more professional experience. The platform also offers fantastic customer support, a strong online community, and frequent product updates based on user feedback. So, whether you're a solo operator or managing a team of technicians, Housecall Pro scales with you as your business grows. And with its user friendly design, most businesses can get up and running in a single afternoon, no steep learning curve or IT support needed. Plus, with the power of automation and data at your fingertips, you can focus less on admin tasks and provide more on great service, building customer relationships, and growing revenue. So basically, House Call Pro is more than just software. It's a partner in your business success. From first contact to final payment, it helps you manage every part of the customer journey with greater speed, professionalism, and accuracy. Whether you're in the office or out in the field, you have the tools you need to streamline operations, delight your customers, and scale your service business with confidence. So if you're ready to replace your paper forms, scattered spreadsheets, and time consuming admin tasks, now is the perfect time to explore Housecall Pro. With its powerful features, intuitive design, and automation driven workflows, it offers everything you need to take your service business to the next level in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.